Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to factory reset your Android phone. This trick can make your old Android phone feel brand new again. Let's get started. First, open your settings. Click on About, then scroll down and select Factory Reset. Alternatively, you can use the search bar in settings to directly find Factory Reset. Once in the Factory Reset settings, you'll see a warning that all contacts, apps, photos, and other data on your device will be erased. Scroll down and click on the Erase All Data icon at the bottom of the screen. After you've clicked it, the device will prompt you to enter your device password or passcode. Once done, click Next. A notification will appear. If you have any important files, back them up. Otherwise, just click on the Factory Reset button. Wait for some time. Afterward, click Next again. Wait for about 10 seconds and then click OK. Your phone will start erasing all data and attempting to factory reset. Give it some time to restart automatically. Once your device boots up, it'll be as fresh as when you first purchased it. You'll see the initial setup screen. Click on the arrow below to begin setting up your new device. Go through the initial settings just like you did when you first bought the device. Select language, country name, Gmail account, and connect to Wi-Fi. Everything will feel new again. Set up your screen lock, and voila! Your device is now as good as new. This simple trick can breathe new life into your old device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.